Hi, I'm Rebecca from Little Adventure Shop, and in this video I'm going to talk you through how to wash a down jacket without ruining it. Okay, so as you can see today it's wash day and we have got this filthy kids down jacket here which is in desperate need of a wash. Now this is one of the questions we get asked most by our customers, is how they're quite nervous about washing a down jacket. So in a moment we're going to go inside and wash this jacket, and we're going to take you through number one, the common misconceptions about washing down jackets. Number two, the right technique to use when you wash your down jacket. And number three, we're going to give you some advice and options on cleaning products to use to make sure you do the best job possible. Okay, so we're inside now, and let's talk about the misconception that you can't wash down. Some people think if you wash a down jacket you're going to ruin it. It's just not true. But what you can't do is chuck your down jacket in with your kids' other clothes, use your normal detergent and maybe a fabric softener as well. That way you will kill your jacket. So this is what you need to do. Number one is take out the drawer in your washing machine and give it a good wash out. Get all the old detergent out and any fabric softener residue. Number two, you're going to look at your garment's label and set the temperature accordingly. So this one is 30 degrees Celsius, which is about 90 Fahrenheit. So I'm going to set it on that one. And number three, you're only going to put the jacket in the wash. You're not going to put any other clothes in with it. So we'll pop that in there. And then lastly, which cleaning solution are you going to use? Now you've got a few options. You can use just a normal sort of liquid soap, which we use for a lot of our technical gear. It's quite a good budget option. But when it comes to down jackets, they're expensive pieces of clothing. So we recommend you use a specific down wash. This is the Granger's one that we stock at Little Adventure Shop. It comes as part of a kit. We should talk to you about the other part in a moment, but that's what we're going to use for this jacket today. So all you need is half a capful of the cleaning solution. So there we go, and then we're just going to stick it in where we'd normally put the regular detergent. Close the drawer and off we go. Okay, so the washing cycle is now finished, and so we're going to get the jacket out. Actually, before I do that, it's just worth mentioning, if you get to this point and you reach in and your jacket's still absolutely wringing wet, it means the spin cycle hasn't kicked in. That sometimes happens when you're washing a garment on its own because the drum becomes unbalanced. So what you need to do is just chuck in one or two dry towels, and that helps balance the drum, and then set it on a spin cycle, and that will sort it out. So anyway, the spin cycle's worked and we've got the jacket out. Right, this is the point when we get the phone calls from customers saying that they've ruined their jacket, because there's basically no loft in there whatsoever, and you can feel the down clumping at the edges. It does look like you've ruined your jacket, but you haven't. What you need to do now is make sure it's really properly dried out. So we're going to use the tumble dryer, and we've got it on a low heat, which is important. You don't want a high heat, you want a low heat. So I'm going to stick the jacket in there. And then we want to add something else that's just going to help keep the jacket moving, keep it sort of agitated and keep the loft sort of bouncing around basically. So you can use tennis balls. Some people use one, some people use three. What we're going to use is the balls that come with the Granger's down wash kit. So they've basically improved on the tennis ball, and you've got a nice light ball here which doesn't pound the down as much as a tennis ball will. So I'm going to chuck three of those in the tumble dryer. It's set on a low heat, that's important, and I've just set it on a 30-minute cycle, and I'll come back in 30 minutes and see how it's doing. You can hear the balls rattling around in the tumble dryer. The tumble dryer's been going now for about 45 minutes. Just turn it off and open the door and we'll see how the jacket's doing. Oh, it's looking great. The loft has really come back, which is lovely to see. You can see it's looking nice and fluffy and light again, and it looks super clean as well. All the muck's come off the front of the jacket and the back of the jacket. No, really, really happy with that. I think these lightweight balls have worked really, really well, and yeah, fantastic. So I think it probably took about 45 minutes in total to get the jacket completely dried. So obviously it's used quite a lot of energy. This isn't something you want to be doing every week. You maybe want to do it once or even twice a winter max, just when your jacket really needs a spruce up. But really happy with how that's come out, and Yeah, look at that, super clean jacket, good to go again. So I hope you like this video. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Many thanks.